Is your bird acting strange? Don't wait. These signs could mean it's sick. Look out for these 5 symptoms. Number 1, fluffed up feathers all day. Number 2, lethargy, or sitting still too much. Number 3, loss of appetite or weight. Number 4, change in droppings. Number 5, closed or swollen eyes. First steps: move them to a quiet, warm spot. Clean the cage. Offer fresh food and water. Avoid stress. No loud noise. If symptoms last over 24 hours, call an avian vet as soon as possible. Birds hide sickness, so act fast. Early care equals faster healing. Monitor your bird daily for subtle changes. They can't talk, but their body does. Follow Birds Heaven Care for daily tips to keep your bird healthy and happy.